Here we go. This bike is a revolution for those who refuse to settle for ordinary tires. Whether you're on a slippery road on a rainy day or on a rugged mountain trail, thanks to its superior tire technology, the Gecko rubber bicycle will never slip, never burst, and will carry you safely under any road conditions. What's more, these tires are environmentally friendly and recyclable. Isn't it incredible? Here we go. This bike is a revolution for those who refuse to settle for ordinary tires. Whether you're on a slippery road on a rainy day or on a rugged mountain trail, thanks to its superior tire technology, the Gecko rubber bicycle will never slip, never burst, and will carry you safely under any road conditions. What's more, these tires are environmentally friendly and recyclable. Isn't it incredible? This is not an ordinary helmet. It is a technological marvel that brings the future of cycling safety to the present. Unit 1 Aura not only protects you, but also maximizes your visibility. Thanks to the incredible LED light system, you will be the brightest star even on dark roads. With this helmet, you can enjoy music, take calls, and even hear GPS directions easily while riding, thanks to the integrated Bluetooth speakers. And you can do all this without taking your hands off the handlebars. But that's not all. There's also an SOS alarm system. In the event of an accident, your helmet can automatically send your location to your emergency contacts. Safety has never been smarter. Safety comes first when riding a bike, right? But the Lumos helmet takes safety to a whole new level. It's not just a helmet, it's a true technological marvel. Thanks to the integrated LED lights on it, you'll be visible from all directions, even in the dark of night. The rear lights, which automatically turn red when you brake, and the signaling feature combine to create your own traffic system. Wait a minute, if you still can't figure out how to signal while riding a bike, let us introduce you to an invention. Yes, you heard right. These incredible grips allow you to signal with just a hand gesture. The LED lights on the sides start flashing with a light touch of your palms. An advanced safety measure, as well as elegance and practicality. You no longer need to raise your arm to signal while trying to maintain your balance. What happens when minimalism and maximum visibility come together? Introducing Flector Zero. Yes, these tiny but effective reflectors add a star-like shine to your bike rims. No extra weight, no mess, no distracting design. Just a perfect fit and incredible light reflection. Being noticed even during the transition from day to night has never been easier. Just stick it on your rims once and enjoy the magic touch. The future of cycling is in your hands, or rather on your handlebars. The Smart Halo 2 is much more than just your average bike computer. Want to get around the city without getting lost? Then this smart device will guide you. It shows you the way with its minimalist LED ring, pushes notifications on your phone, and even provides a powerful light for nighttime safety. These unique LED rings placed on your wheels not only make you visible, but also show off your style. On both the front and rear wheels, they both illuminate the way forward and provide a light show for those following you. This smart light is not just a bike light. It is a companion that constantly analyzes your surroundings and increases your safety. Notices traffic getting heavier? The lights instantly turn on brighter. Starts raining? ACE adapts to the weather conditions with you. Isn't it incredible that such a small device can be so smart? Now it's not just you. Your bike can think too. Want to make engine noises while riding your bike? Yes, it's now possible. Introducing the Turbo Spoke, a fun invention that gives your bike that cool, loud motorcycle sound. As soon as you step on the pedals, the patented sound system kicks in, making it sound like there's a motorcycle behind you. The sound gets louder as you accelerate, making everyone around you turn and look. Are there people here who have balance problems while doing bike repairs? Meet the handlebar jack. This small but powerful tool safely lifts your handlebars so everything from changing tires to maintaining chains becomes a breeze. You no longer have to lean your bike against the wall or turn it upside down. It doesn't take up space and is easy to carry. The most powerful way to illuminate your night rides is here. This small but effective headlight pierces the darkness and shows you your way clearly. With its 1200 lumens, it offers daylight-like illumination. Moreover, thanks to its lightweight and compact design, you will not feel any extra weight on your bike. It keeps you on the road in all weather conditions: rain, fog, snow. Are you ready for a technology that takes driving safety to the highest level? This intelligent system protects you at all times while cycling. It instantly analyzes your speed, route, and potential dangers around you. Sudden stops, unexpected obstacles? No problem. RS-1000 warns you in advance and ensures your safety. This elegant and compact device adds shine not only to your bike, but also to your safety. It easily attaches to your handlebars and gives a clear, bright signal at every turn. Forget about old-fashioned hand gestures. Signal like a professional cyclist with the tick blinker. It offers both a stylish and effective solution with its minimalist design. This durable and waterproof saddlebag fits perfectly on the back of your bike and allows you to carry all your essentials. No weight on your back, no worries. Just pedal and go. With its minimalist design, spacious interior, and sturdy construction, this bag will be indispensable for every cycling adventure.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing
Rediscover the bicycle bell. This invention will make you forget all the bell designs you know. Thin, stylish, and elegant, this bell is almost invisible on your handlebars, but is strong enough to attract everyone's attention with its sound. This minimalist design adds an aesthetic touch to your bike while ensuring your safety with its high-quality sound. This incredible bike carrier is a marvel of engineering. It is incredibly easy to use thanks to its foldable structure, and it looks stylish even when mounted on the back of your car. Whether it is a mountain bike or an electric bike, it can carry them all safely. This helmet is one of the most preferred models by professional cyclists, and it is not hard to understand why. It increases your speed with its design that minimizes wind resistance and keeps you cool even on long rides thanks to its superior ventilation system. This stylish helmet, which does not compromise on safety, fits your head perfectly. Lezine Smart Connect makes your lighting system fully compatible with your phone. Adjust the brightness of your headlights, change riding modes, and check the battery level with a single touch. Moreover, synchronize the front and rear lights of your bike for perfect harmony on every ride.